Today, I'm going to try out the world's smallest operating system. This is called KolibriOS, and this is the smallest operating system in the world. Don't Google it, I already did. If you don't trust me, yeah, sure, go ahead. KolibriOS is a tiny yet incredibly powerful and fast operating system. Okay, let's actually try this out. This is also my first time trying this out. So we're gonna go into the downloads folder. Here we can see how this operating system actually looks, the screenshot for this. And this thing is in like active development. This thing was updated a couple of weeks ago. So now there are a couple of ways to try this out. We have floppy disk image, live CD image, universal image, hybrid. Okay, we're gonna go with the live CD, basically the ISO file. Let's download it. It's only 44.4 megabytes. That's like pretty small, to be honest. On website, you won't find anything related to the system requirements and all that. We should like do the Google search actually. Oh yeah, this is much easier. Yeah, we can also find it on Wikipedia and all that, but since we have the Google here, we can just use it. So any CPU will do. Okay, 8 megabytes of RAM. We're gonna give this guy a big amount of RAM. It's already downloaded, so let's go into our downloads folder, and this is the file, latest ISO. This is a compressed file. I think we need to uncompress it, so we're gonna extract it using nanozip, which means 7 in Japanese. One of my subscribers told me when I made a video about nanozip. Thank you. So now we have the ISO file. Actual ISO file is almost like 100 megabytes, exactly 94.6 megabytes. All right. So now, we have the install instructions too, the text file. So here we have the minimum system requirements. Any CPU will do, I guess. These are like some really old CPUs. RAM, this is hilarious, like 8 megabytes of RAM. This is like some old consoles. There is instructions, but if you also want to try this, you can just follow me. Since we have the ISO file, we can just fire up a virtual machine. I'm gonna use the VMware because now it's completely free, if you guys know. And I have a couple of operating systems here, so it's time to add one more operating system here. We're gonna go next. Let's choose our ISO file of the KolibriOS. It says it didn't detect the operating system, obviously. It's not based on anything, so we're gonna go with the other, and also gonna go other here. Okay, and we're gonna call it small OS. I was about to make a joke, but okay. Actually, we don't even have to like give it like 4 processors, but I'm gonna give it anyway. Okay, it doesn't require that much power, and we're gonna give it like 8. Should I give it like 16? I think that's just overkill. I don't think the operating system will be able to utilize that, but I'm just gonna give it like 8 gigabytes actually. I think we're gonna leave everything as it is. Since this is like smallest operating system, we don't have to give it like a huge amount. It's only like 100 megabytes. Even if it gets installed, it will make a couple of megabytes more, I guess. So we're gonna leave it to default, 8 gigabyte. That is also too much for this operating system, in my opinion. Okay, so now let's try to change some display settings. We're gonna enable the 3D acceleration. Hopefully that thing works. I'm not too sure. Okay, again, this is also my first time, and hopefully this thing works. And let's fire up the small OS, or smallest OS. Okay, KolibriOS. It looks like the Linux interface actually. You're connected to the internet. What is that? So how do I install this? So it looks like this is a live CD. As you guys know, if you have ever used Linux, I'm pretty sure you know what live CD is. You basically run the operating system without installing it. So this is kind of similar thing. Now I need to find a installer because I'm pretty sure we'll have better experience if we install it on the virtual hard drive. Okay, let me actually do the Google search one more time, how to install. So it looks like there is no traditional installer for KolibriOS. It only has the live CD. And if you want to install it on something, you'll have to copy the content of the live CD to the drive, or then make it bootable and all that. Okay, so basically there is no easy way. It's not like you can't install it, but there is no easy way to install it on a hard drive. So we're gonna have to test this like that. Okay, so hopefully this thing works. So this is process manager, like the Windows task manager. There is only one thing running, 0% CPU usage. Look at that. And 79 kilobytes memory usage. The icons on the desktop are also organized like in different ways. We also have the games here actually. So we have the Dino game. You remember this? This is a Google Chrome game. When you don't have the internet, you play this game. Oh, am I that bad actually? No, I shouldn't be that bad. Okay, so you got the idea. So what else we have? Floppy Bird. Slow. Oh, okay. I have played this game. But it looks like I'm not that great. So this is an operating system which includes things out of the box. The games, snake game. Okay, this. Okay, there has to be some useful stuff. Let's try to surf the internet. We have net surf here. I don't want to log in. Can I go into Google or something? Base style sheet failed to load. Okay, it's not working. Okay, let's try the web view. Let's try to go Google here, I guess. Oh no, it's writing in different language. What happened to my keyboard? It's writing in Russian language, even though I'm writing in English. Download manager, we have the download manager built in, so we can download the files and stuff. Okay, but somehow my keyboard is messed up, so I need to fix that. Maybe I can find settings. So this is basically a operating system which includes all the things you need already on the system. It's not like the Windows or Linux. This is different kind of thing. System panel. Okay, so can we change the language for the keyboard, because my keyboard is messed up, even though when I'm writing this in NetSurf it was working. Yeah, google.com. It says failed, but if I try to write this on web view and try to write here Google, no, it's writing in, I don't know how to fix this issue. I can't find the keyboard settings here. It's automatically writing in I'm pretty sure it's the Russian language. If I'm wrong, please correct me in the comments. Everything is in English, I think. If the system language is in English, why is my keyboard typing in Russian? Someone needs to explain me that. Background. Oh, we can change the color, I think. Oh, look at that. Oh, very customizable. I'm gonna leave it like that. I like this gradient theme, I guess. What do you expect from the smallest operating system in the world? What else we have? We even have shell. I'm pretty sure this is like command prompt thingy. Can we do something? We can type here help. Oh, okay, so we can perform some commands. An image. Oh, it has the image editor too. Oh, it looks like the Photoshop actually. It has the selection tool here. Look at this. The thing is, open. Now we can open the files in here. So we don't actually have any images because my internet is not working for some reason. Even though internet is actually working, but I can't type it in another language. Okay, so this is like cheap version of Photoshop. This is like Photoshop of Kolibri. Oh, I did something. I changed the color. Wait. Can I switch? Oh, switch to different color here. Let's make it that. Boom, look at that. Even though it's not filling what I'm trying to fill. I'm trying to fill the selection area, but yeah. See edit, this is probably for coding. Okay, yeah. This is kind of like Notepad. We have the calculator. This is file manager. So you get everything you need, but I want to like watch YouTube or something, but I can't. Oh, now it's working. Wait. Now it's writing in English. YouTube.com. Come on, you can do this. Come on. Maybe it's because I'm using it in VM. So virtual machine can't render the website. Google.com. Can I go in there at least? Oh yeah, it can't render things properly. So hey, the games are working. Let's play ping pong. Oh, I know how. Can I use? Oh yeah. Wait. Oh, I'm at the top. Oh, that's me. That's me at the top. No. He's gonna lose. I'm blue, he's red. Okay, so it's computer versus me. Okay. So we also have the Tetris. Remember that game? There are more games actually. What is this? How do I play this? I don't think I have ever played this game. I'm gonna try and get high score in Floppy Bird. That was 1, okay. Oh, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that's the best that I can do. Yeah, interesting. So this is the world's smallest operating system. If you want to try, you should try it on virtual machine, because again, as I said, this thing doesn't actually require much resources. Yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.